Hey guys, welcome back again. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection issues on Windows 11. As we all know, after recent updates, many users have been experiencing problems with Wi-Fi internet connections on their devices. So let's take a look at how we can fix this issue, especially on Windows 11. And before we start, don't forget to support us by liking the video. We really put a lot of effort into making this for you, so your support means a lot. Let's get started with the first method. First, go to This PC, then right-click and select Manage. A window will open, and from there, choose Device Manager. Next, go to Network Adapters, which contains all the drivers related to your network card. Now, find your Wi-Fi driver. It might be called Wi-Fi or something similar. Right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. This is a very important step. After that, you'll notice that it disappears. Then go to the top where your device name is and click Scan for hardware changes, and the driver will be reinstalled automatically. Next, right-click on the driver again, choose Properties, then go to the Driver tab and click on Update Driver. After that, select Browse My Computer for drivers. This option allows Windows to use any available drivers already installed on your system to fix the issue. Then, choose the first option and click Next. You should see a message confirming that the driver has been installed successfully. Click Close. Another important step. Go to Power Management, and if you see the option that allows the computer to turn off this device to save power, uncheck it, and then click OK. After that, restart your computer to apply the changes. Now let's move to the second method. Go to the Start menu and search for Services. Then open it. A window will appear. Look for WLAN AutoConfig. And make sure its status is set to Automatic. If it's not, change it. Also check DHCP Client. Make sure it's running and set it to Automatic as well. Now for the third method. Go to Control Panel, then Network and Internet, and then Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter. If you see Enable, click it to activate the connection. Now the fourth method. Search for CMD. Right-click on it and run it as administrator. Then enter the commands that reset your network settings to default. I'll leave these commands in the description so you can easily copy and paste them. Copy the first command using Ctrl-C, then paste it using Ctrl-V. Repeat the same steps for the second, third, and fourth commands. After finishing, type Exit, then restart your computer to apply all the changes properly. Now the fifth method. If the problem still persists, you can download a tool called FixWin 11. FixWin is a very powerful tool that helps fix many Windows issues. I'll leave the download link in the description. After downloading it, extract the compressed file as usual. Then open the folder and double-click on the application. Once it opens, go to System Fixes. From there, you can select the issue you're facing. For example, if the Start menu is not working, you can fix it from here. In our case, we'll select the Wi-Fi issue and click Fix. You'll then see a message confirming that the problem has been resolved. After that, restart your computer. Finally, I'd like to mention that the program's interface is very simple, and you can use it to fix most Windows 11 issues. And at the end, don't forget to like the video. It really supports us, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content.